Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hopefully, everybody is doing a little bit better than what the market's doing this morning. What the hell is going on over here? Bleeding everywhere, everywhere. Good to see you, Grant. It's good to see you, Gillis, Lynn, everyone on social media. My God, I mean, like, is there going to be a bottom? I mean, when you look at some of these stocks, they're getting destroyed. I mean, when you overall, when you look at the Dow, what's happening with the Dow right here, I just want to bring this up right here because we've been having a little bit of a rally here and there, but I don't know. Do you really see it? I mean, we dropped from 4,000 down to 4,200. That really is kind of, I see a little bit more of a sweet spot right there. We did come back, but I don't know. I mean, everything looks like it's just bleeding. All the tech stocks are doing bad. Um, I mean, I could just go down the list. I don't even know where I want to start. My God, I mean, it just goes endless. Nvidia is down to like 118. We know 110 is support. Palantir, hit that resistance of 85. I mean, that's kind of holding, bounce a little bit off that support. Intel did pretty well yesterday. That one did okay. What else we had? Google, 210 all the way down to like 160. Apple, coming down. All the tech stocks are doing terrible. What about some GM? I mean, I'm just looking at some of these stocks. I mean, they're not really going anywhere. Down 50 to 45, 60. I mean, it's not down terrible compared to some other ones. But yeah, I mean, G-Nut, the only thing that's been doing well has been gold. Gold has been doing well. I mean, all the metals have done well. They're projecting it to hit like 3,500, I think they thought, in the next 6 months. I don't know. I think it's going to hit it there sooner. Yeah, Lita. And also, yeah, listen, we had a good rally, Lita, right? And all the quantum stocks, QBTS. I mean, those things did great. $4 to 12. Of course, going to back off. Now, remember, if you miss the rally going long, you could always start going short right now. So now we're starting to see these things starting to back up. But a lot of bleeding on that list. The only thing that's really kind of popped up right now is Eli Lilly and Nuvo. Nuvo took a pretty big hit. And that's about it. I mean, that's all I'm seeing here. It's moving. What do we got here? We got this stock right here. We saw some of the Chinese stocks that did pretty well yesterday. But other than that, we got to just be careful. And I'm going to tell you, I was looking around this morning, and I really didn't see that much going on either. So, listen, I'm losing money on my swing trades. I mean, I have the Tesla trade still. I mean, I own the ETF. I bought the TSLL. And it's, the only reason why I like it is that, thing took a big hit, but I'm, somewhere within the support levels. I'm in that sweet spot. Tilray too, also same thing, the ETF on that one. But Palantir, I did own it. I did buy it pretty cheap. I got it here right around the $80. So I was doing well yesterday. Is coming back down a little bit. But that one I'm not getting really beat up too bad. But some of these stocks, I mean, they're really taking very big hits. So I would be very, very, very careful. Listen, if I still had the positions I had 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I would really been crushed. Okay, I would probably be down like 50% on some of these stocks. I mean, you can go down that list. There are a lot of them down there. So just be very, very careful. Remember we used to trade at SRPT, big hit today. Oh, I saw that one. SRPT. That was the pharmaceutical stock. Yeah, I saw it this morning on the big losers list. Yeah, that one also. Look at that. Up from 105, took a big hit. And we know, Lita, pharmaceutical stocks do not come back. So I don't know if she's on your short list, but we'll put her on the B list, right? Let's put that one over there. SRPT. So anyway, regarding about yesterday and what we traded yesterday going into the afternoon and what traded pretty well, there was some stocks that did do okay. Hood did really good yesterday on the day trade. And, listen, if you can't swing trade, we day trade here. That's our main thing. And that's how you kind of know if your swing trades are going to continue, because you keep saying, oh, maybe it'll come back tomorrow. Maybe it'll come back tomorrow. Listen, it's going to come back today when you look at the day trade. And if it doesn't come back today, it ain't coming back tomorrow. So Hood did really well. Celsius did pretty well yesterday. We traded that one. That one had a good bounce after taking a very big hit. Went from 27 down to 30. Intel, INTC. I think I told you that one too. That was a really nice move early in the morning, 10 o'clock. I mean, went from 25 to 26. That did well. ENPH, another nice little runner yesterday. 59 to 64. All a little on the expensive side. What else we had here? CRVO. That was another one. That one I'm going to put back on. That one's been doing great. I mean, this CRVO, I was just checking on level 4 on CRVO. And let me just see what's going on over here, because this is really cool, and a lot of you guys are going to appreciate if you're one of the traders here. Look at this ladder effect that pushed the stock up here. Started right around 8 o'clock this morning. Guy started at 9:20. Look, he keeps bidding up. He just got executed though right here. Once it got up to 10, you can see the orders got close to this $11, $12 right here. But great orders out there. But this has been doing fabulous, been doing really, really well for us. And this is a stock that we traded last week. So this is how you find a stock that turns into a day trade, turn to a swing trade. Yesterday, it was a great trade from $7 all the way up to about $9. And I'm definitely putting that back on the watch list. Just remember, it is a little bit more of a category 3 to a 4. What else that we had that moved down there? Andrea is saying the QBTS. So all these stocks are probably going to be on the short list now. So let's put the QBTS. That one had a really, really good rally, and now obviously now starting to trend down. By the way, did all of you guys watch my video I posted yesterday? I did a video what to expect for this week. Remember, we got the Fed rate that's coming out. We got a lot of earnings that are coming out, and also regarding about the quantum stocks and all the AI stocks. We know that NVIDIA has their big conference that's going on this week. So if you had not watched that video yet, depending on what you're a fan of, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, I did a nice quick little short. Rich, if you put, there's a link right there. Got the link posted right here. So you guys could definitely, when you get a chance, watch it. Just make sure you like it, friend it, and ring that bell, okay? All right. So what are we working through this watch list? I'm telling you, I'm not really seeing that much. There was this stock, but it was expensive. It's gapped up from yesterday. It's not really going and moved most of the action in the afternoon. I saw this ADTX too. I wasn't super impressed about it. There's a lot of orders sitting here around 6. You could see it right there. And here's those orders out there on the right of the chart. They're sitting out there waiting. And when they're out there, it wasn't going any higher. So, I mean, but I'm very picky. ADTX. I mean, not the greatest day trade, but these are the biggest stocks we're finding. This stock too expensive, very big spread. SCNX. I put this. What's the orders on this thing? I mean, it's shit. It really is. I mean, there's a lot of orders holding it back right around 650 to 670. Here, look at all of them. See them all right there. 40,000, 30,000, 12,000. Remember, we always look at the right of the chart. If you're new here to CyberTrading University, if you're watching the trial or maybe you're watching on social media, we will focus on what's on the right. And, you know, knowing what's on the right is always going to predict where the trend is. And you could see it hit there right around 815, 820. It came right back down. What else we have? This stock is not really going anywhere, even though it's been moving up a little bit early on. Now, look at we're at 12%, and this is the 6th biggest percentage gainer. That's how ugly it is out there. Okay, here's a stock that Lita and Andrea, you brought up. Stock taking a very big hit from yesterday. Like to always bring up the second day. This stock just shot up, came right back down. Quantum stocks, you could see it there on the big losers list. NEO moved up pretty nicely. NEO, I mean, it's a Chinese stock. That one's moving up okay. Level 1 stock, but this is pretty damn desperate to go all the way down here. KNF, we traded this stock before. This one's trying to go up a little bit, but what is up, 12%? It's garbage. What else we got here? That's that ETF that's going up. Yep, everything else. Rolex, everybody remember this stock, remember? Losers, this one took a big hit yesterday and came back down. There's QBTS. BBAI, that one's taking a very big hit. That was a nice runner, right? They ran away to 10. Now it's down to 3. That's what I'm talking about. So all small cap stocks and all these ETFs getting crushed. All right. I don't really have that much going on out there. What I got? 3, 4 stocks? That's terrible. Okay. Has been coming down after the Kalamra partnership with Walmart, the Affirm. Let me check that one out, Michael. ARFM. Oops. There we go. $80 stock down to 70. Yeah, that one, a nice gap up right there. And it's not really doing too well either. Like 80 down to 40. Could you imagine 80 to 40? You know what I mean? Like, imagine having 100 shares, $8,000. Now it just got cut in half to 4,000. Just got crushed. Okay. So that's the beauty about being a day trader. You just got to sit back and you know what? And it really educates you a little bit more on your swing trades. So, but I know some of the stocks that we are watching are at some pretty close at those support levels. We'll just got to hold on, but they do break it. Better get out. All right, traders, anything we're missing that I did not call out? Warren says, okay, LO on YouTube. We got earnings coming out. Okay, LO. Yeah, well, not really doing too much. And I know we've been trading that stock too. That's been on our watch list for a while. That was one of the stocks that went from 20 to 62. So we'll keep an eye on that, Warren. But thanks for sharing it. PLTR, Stephen Cohen, Pioneer president, co-founder, executed all his stock sales. U.S. security. Yeah, I saw that. You think he sold it at the right price? Oh, my God. Way to get out of that price. You got December, right? Look at that. Is that where he sold it? All right, he's right here at the same spot. I thought he sold it somewhere around here. I know that Kathy Wood sold a lot of it. You know, the hedge fund girl lady. All right, let's get ready for the market to open up, guys. Listen, before we go, a couple of things I want to point out. Today we have Steve Primo that is going to be on the podcast today. We will be broadcasting live. Very well, big guru in the industry. He's been around for a long time. Looking forward to have him. Make sure you go out there and register for it. We will broadcast live on YouTube, so that will be live at 11 o'clock. If you have any questions, please submit them in. You know, and like I said, sit back and enjoy. We have a bunch of podcasts. Who else we got? So we got that. We got Andrea, our student. Andrea is going to be on tomorrow. I know a lot of you guys are going forward to hear from Andrea. He's been with us for over 10 years. You can see why, you know, how to do something for doing this business for 10 years and how that worked out. We have him on. And then we have John Hutchinson coming on next week. All right, traders. Good luck today. And see you in about 15 minutes. All right. If you're watching on social media, take your phone, scan the QR code. You can join our live trading floor. We're here all day commentary. Hopefully see you then. If not, we'll see you back at 11. Good luck, everyone. Trade safe.